Masturbation is a normal and natural sexual activity that many males, like people of all genders, engage in at some point in their lives. It is a personal choice, and there is no universal should or should not when it comes to masturbation. Whether or not a male chooses to masturbate depends on individual preferences, comfort levels, cultural beliefs, and personal values. We will discuss some suggestions in this video. Normal and healthy. Masturbation is considered a normal and healthy part of human sexuality. It is a safe way to explore one's own body, sexual sensations, and preferences. Self-exploration. Masturbation allows individuals to become more familiar with their bodies and their sexual responses. It can contribute to sexual self-awareness. Stress relief. For many people, masturbation can provide stress relief and relaxation. It can be a way to unwind and reduce tension. Privacy and consent. Engaging in masturbation is a private and personal choice. It should always be done consensually and in a manner that respects one's own boundaries and privacy. Cultural and religious considerations. Some cultures and religions have specific beliefs or taboos regarding masturbation. It's essential to respect cultural and religious norms while also considering one's own values and beliefs. Communication. Open and honest communication about masturbation within relationships can foster understanding and promote a healthy sexual connection with a partner. Moderation. While masturbation is normal and healthy, excessive or compulsive masturbation can potentially lead to physical or psychological issues. Maintaining a balanced approach is important. Ultimately, the decision to masturbate is a personal one. Some individuals choose to do so regularly, while others may not engage in it at all. What's most important is that individuals feel comfortable with their choices, respect their own boundaries, and engage in any sexual activity, including masturbation.